So yeah, would you believe it? First time in Canada. It's like right next to us. It's an hour and 20-minute flight. And yeah, country 49 for me. Nicole's been here before, so she's showing me around. But we're gonna have tea at the Fairmont, and I'm excited about this. It's kind of become our little tradition on our trips. All right, so there's the Fairmont. We're gonna head inside and check it out. Show you the tea service. Tons of food. All right, a look at the teas. Ooh, Coronation Chicken, saw that one. Look at those. Give you a chance to read through them. All right, Coronation Chicken. We've got some truffle and tofu here, all gluten-free, egg salad. Got your balsamic down here, the beef sandwich. Little chocolates because they don't have the cookie, and then there's a pear dessert up top here. Looking fantastic. Teas are great, guys. I did the ice wine with white tea, and Nicole did the green tea with peach. All right, a must since it's Sunday and it's my birthday tomorrow. We're doing some champagne we went with the pear, and it's actually very, very, very good. And they split it, which was very nice of them. All right, just a little bit of the decor from the hotel. Absolutely beautiful. All right, there it is behind me. Tea was excellent. I have to say the service there was fantastic. Really attentive staff and very, very nice and friendly. I would say some of the gluten-free options that we have were, pretty decent. I would say I've had better. Some of the sandwiches were a little dry, but I love the Coronation Chicken, of course, and the egg salad. A couple others, though, I was like, whatever. But overall, I would give the experience a definite must check out. It was not cheap. Obviously, you can expect that with the tea service stuff. What was the total on that? Roughly average?
95 Canadian dollars per person.
Yeah, 95 Canadian dollars per person. So you can do the math. It's not cheap, but it was well worth it. A must check out if you like doing that with your family or, one of your kids or your wife or girlfriend. Anyways, all right, so we'll see what else we get up to here in Toronto. Thanks for checking us out.